When it comes to tags and hashtags on YouTube Shorts, one of them is completely useless and one of them is going to help you go viral more often, especially if you're a small channel. In fact, tags and hashtags are the #1 question that I get on YouTube. So many people ask me every single day, Rob, which one should I be focusing on? Which one should I be putting my effort into? And in this video, I'm going to answer that question for you. I'm going to tell you the 3 hashtag strategies you need to use and what you should be doing when it comes to tags. That being said, this strategy helped this creator gain 10,000 subscribers in just 2 weeks and this creator over 50,000 subscribers in 30 days. And the same exact thing can happen to you if you simply implement these tips because it's going to help you get more views, which ultimately is going to lead to more subscribers. But before we can dive into that, I need you to smash that subscribe button. If you want to go quicker on YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok, I literally upload a video about how to grow on these platforms every single day. In addition to that, I created a free YouTube growth course. You can get it, the link in the pinned comment below. It's going to share with you the best time to post on YouTube right now, which by the way, if you're not posting at the best time right now, using the right tags and the other things I share with you in this video, it's going to be the reason that you're not seeing success right now on YouTube. First and foremost, we need to talk about tags. When it comes to tags, do not put all of your effort into this. I know I said in the beginning of the video, one of the things is useless. The other one is going to help you get views. Hashtags are going to help you get views. There are 3 hashtag strategies we're going to cover in this video. But when it comes to tags, I wouldn't put that much effort into it. All you need to do is make sure that you're using tags that are similar to the title. For example, in this video, I might put best tags on YouTube Shorts, best tags on YouTube 2023, best tags on YouTube Shorts 2023, etc., etc. I'm just going to build that out. Essentially, I'm going to get to 450 characters because you can have 500 characters or 500 words, I forget, it's one or the other. Within that, just fill it up. Not all the way to 500, but try to get as close as possible. I would stop anywhere above 450 and below 490. You don't want to go all the way because then it might look like spam, and you don't want to use any of them because then you're going to be missing out on a few key features when it comes to YouTube. That being said, the way the tags worked in the past was it helped you rank for search. It doesn't help you rank for search anymore. All it does now is try to fix spelling mistakes and just give YouTube a little bit of data if they have no other data. But there's more important data that they actually care about when it comes to you getting views or more subscribers going viral on YouTube. And I'm going to share that with you in just a second. Now, when it comes to the first hashtag strategy that you need to make sure that you're doing, it's going to be using hashtag shorts, but then also using a niche specific hashtag. If you don't know what a niche specific hashtag is, it's going to be the popular hashtags for whatever you're posting about. For example, if you're posting a comedy skit, it'll be hashtag comedy. What I strongly suggest you do, look at your competitors, see what hashtags they're using, and begin using that within your content. Now, if they're not using hashtags, well, go to another competitor and again, see what they're using in their content, especially their viral content, and those are the niche specific hashtags that you should be using. I strongly suggest having at least 9 to 10 of them that you're transferring in and out of. That being said, there are 2 other hashtag strategies that you need to make sure that you're implementing. The last one is by far the most important, but before we can get into those, I need to make sure that you actually understand the mistakes that I see so many small YouTube channels creating when it comes to hashtags. First and foremost, putting hashtags before the title. Do not do this. Putting hashtags in the description. Do not do this. Putting hashtags in the comment section. Do not do this. The only place that hashtags should come when it comes to YouTube Shorts is after the title. It should be the title, and then you should have your hashtags there. So please, stop making these mistakes. Also, another one, using irrelevant hashtags. I see so many small channels do this, and it's the reason that they're not successful. Another thing that so many creators are doing, they're solely focusing on the hashtags. These hashtags, it should take 30-40 seconds for you to be able to come up with them, for you to choose them. I would not overthink it. It is ultimately not going to decide whether or not you go viral, but if you use the right hashtags, it could lead to you going viral if the topic's on point and your watch time's on point. Those are 2 other things you need to be paying close attention to. When it comes to watch time on YouTube Shorts, you need to be aiming for 100%. For example, if you upload a video that's 17 seconds long and you get 80% watch time, guess what you should do? You should remake that video, the same title, different content, and make it 12 to 13 seconds long. I bet it gets 100% watch time, and if the topic and the title were right and the hashtags were right, well then guess what? That video is going to go viral because you got 100% watch time. That being said, you need to look at YouTube Shorts as a competition. You want to be aiming for 100% watch time because if your competitor uploads a video on the same topic and they get more watch time, well then they're going to get more reach. These are the types of games that you need to be thinking about, the types of games that you need to be playing, because I have so many small channels hit me up and say, Rob, I recreated this channel's video and I did it like this, but then I look and they made a worse version of that original video. If you made a worse version of the original video, why do you think YouTube would push yours over theirs? You're right, they're not going. And they're also not going to push it if you don't use these next 2 hashtag strategies. The second strategy that's helping small channels go viral on YouTube is going to be 3 niche specific hashtags. So the first one that I gave you is hashtag shorts and then also 1 niche specific hashtag. The second hashtag strategy is going to be 3 niche specific hashtags. Now when it comes to these hashtag strategies, you need to be interweaving them. For example, if you're going to upload 3 videos today, I would have one of the hashtag strategies in each of them. But once you see one of them be more successful than the others, you need to be using that one 80% of the time. So 4 out of 5 posts. And then the 5th post, what you're going to want to do is test the other strategies, because if you're not constantly testing testing, you're not going to pick up when YouTube begins to change things. For example, hashtags might not work as well in the future, or they might work even better, but you need to actually be able to determine that within your content, within your niche, and the only way you're going to be able to do that is if you're constantly testing. On top of that, like I said earlier, you need to make sure that you're paying attention to the actual topic that you're going after, especially you gaming creators. I see so many people make a post about Minecraft or MW2 or whatever it is, Warzone, it doesn't matter, any of the games, even Fortnite. And guess what? They don't put Fortnite in the actual title. They don't put Minecraft in the title. They don't put the game in the title. And guess what ends up happening? Since you're a small channel, YouTube has no watch history, which by the way is the most important thing when it comes to getting views, is going to be your watch history, because they're going to base whether or not they push your content out based off of a viewer's past watch history. So if they're not watching videos that say something along the lines of what you're putting out, well then that's why you're not getting views, because YouTube doesn't actually think that they have an audience for your content. That being said, you need to make sure that you include the game in there, because it's going to help you get more views, because it's going to help YouTube identify that they actually have an audience for that piece of content. Another big one with this, the motivation niche. If you're doing Steve Harvey quotes or something Jordan Peterson said, you better have his name in the title, because otherwise YouTube's going to have no idea what the actual video is about, and they're not going to know the audience that they should push it to. If you've messed these things up in the past, please go back and fix your titles. Another thing that you could do is go and add these hashtags to your titles, because it will reboot your post into the algorithm. If you do it the right way, it could mean that you get a delayed explosion, aka your video starts to get pushed up in the algorithm a month, 2 months, even 90 days after you posted it. So please go back and fix all of your old posts. That being said, the last hashtag strategy that you need to be using is just hashtag shorts, because it's helped so many creators go viral. In fact, it is the #1 hashtag strategy that I see on viral posts on YouTube. Don't believe me? Go scroll the shorts feed and I bet you see the same thing. That being said, if you want to get guaranteed subscribers on YouTube, like all the creators that I share with you in this video, go to the link in the description, get into my mentorship program right now. There's an incredibly limited number of spots, but essentially what's going to happen, once you sign up, I'm going to send you a plan. I'm going to send you the hashtags you should use, the topics you should use, the titles. We're going to look at your analytics together to critique your content to get you guaranteed growth on YouTube. If you don't get more subscribers in the 30 days that you're in the program, you are going to get your money back, 0 questions asked. If that sounds interested and you want to take YouTube seriously right now, get more subscribers, get more views, make more money, then go to the link in the description, because there are limited spots. If that doesn't sound interesting, then please watch the next 2 videos I put up on the screen, because they're the videos YouTube thinks you should watch next. Thank you so much for watching.